Hi guys, Russell here, the condo investment guru and the property specialist in Mega World at the Fort. And today, I'm gonna give you a tour here in the 2-bedroom model unit of Park McKinley West. So make sure to watch this video until the end, especially we're giving up to 25% discount. So tara! So upon entering the unit, the first thing you're going to see is the kitchen area. So meron na tayong granite countertop, retractable faucet, meron na rin tayong oven, 4-burner induction cooktop, range hood, and a lot of kitchen cabinets. So this is one of the good thing about this unit. Marami tayong storage. And on the other side of the unit, nandito naman yung maid's room. So sa maid's room, you can see the provision for the washer-dryer. Meron na siyang sariling toilet and bath. And of course, kasya rin po dito yung single bed. So if you don't have a maid, you can convert this into a guest room, pantry, storage, depende na lang po sa need nyo. And since this is a smart home ready, pwede kayo magpa-install ng smart home panel so you can control your appliances, the lights using your phone. And syempre, built-in na rin yung video intercoms. So if you have deliveries, visitors, you can communicate with them using this one. And this is one way. You can see the concierge, pero di nila kayo makikita, though makakapag-communicate kayo. So one of my favorite feature of this unit is the very spacious living area na meron ng split-type aircon and an access to the balcony. This living area is very perfect talaga for your family. You can put a sala set here and the TV there. So, meron talaga tayong space. And also, this unit features a mini hallway that leads you to the bedroom number 1 na meron ng modular cabinet, split-type aircon, and an access to the balcony. On this side naman is the common toilet and bath. What you can see there is what you get. So, complete na yung sanitary fixtures, naka-tiles na siya from floor to ceiling. Lastly is the master bedroom. So, your master bedroom is very spacious as well. Kasyang-kasya yung queen-size bed and 2 side tables. Meron na rin tayong access sa balcony. Of course, meron ding split-type aircon and modular cabinet yung ating master bedroom. On top of that, this unit also features a master toilet and bath. So the master toilet and bath is more spacious compared to the common toilet and bath. So the original price of this unit is 43 million pesos. But since we're giving 5% discount, the net contract price will be around 41 million pesos na lang. And another good thing about this unit, it's under rent-to-own terms, meaning you can already move in for just 10% down payment. And if you're liquid, if you have enough cash in your bank, you can take advantage of 25% discount, which from 43 million pesos, magiging 32 million na lang if you pay in cash. So yun lang guys, I hope you like the tour. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on my next video. Salamat!